Hey you, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Ladessa. You spell that L-A-D-E-S-S-A. L to the D to the L to the D to the L to the D to the Ladessa. If you would be so kind, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's the only way that we can stay connected. I mean, you can watch without being a subscriber, but why would you do that? Why would you just dip in and drive by? Like, stay a while, take your coat off. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Let's get to know each other in the comments section, and turn on your notification bell. That's the only way you're gonna know that I'm down here to the YouTubes on the regular. And please share this video. I mean, look, I'm kind of sick and everything. I got enough to go around. Spread your girl out. It's all right. I'm gonna be here for you all the time anyway, so I mean, you know, go ahead and lend me out. All right, so you read the description of this video. I am going to be taking some products that I just purchased and creating this really affordable look, with the exception of one little thing, this little baby right here. When I tried to use the Fenty Pro Filter Concealer as concealer, it was all in the neg, straight sub-zero. So what I did today is I took the concealer and I used it as a foundation. That is the wonderful thing about makeup and the artistry that you can create. You can make any item be whatever it is you want. You want to take eyeshadow and make it a contour, or make it, you know, whip it up with some lip gloss and make it a lip look, or make it a highlight, or take your lip liner and say that color would really look good as an eyeliner. You can do whatever it is you want. So that is what I did to create today's look. So if you want to see me pull it all together, let's hang over to the other side. Let's go ahead and finish up this other eye. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collaboration in Dark Magic, and I've already I've already kind of set the base of my eye with right here, this color right here, and then I'm gonna go in with Potion, this little olive green right here.
I just want you to look me in my face.
Tell you the truth.
And tell me the truth. I don't understand how it's so difficult.
It's complicated. It's complicated. We tell all these pretty lies. I look in your eyes and we say forever. But while we both trying to hide, it's all a disguise. We so fucked up together. We smile through the mess, replying to texts with arrows that we aim to kill with. You cry a river, I tell you get over, but that bridge we never built it. Why we so filled with these feelings? How we gon' grow with no trust there? Damn, all we spittin' is venom. How we gon' heal with no love here? You ask me who that on the message. I say, why you up on my phone? You say you just saw when it popped up. I tell you the number was wrong. We spinning this web with the truest of lies. Ain't it a shame what we do to survive? You throwing shade, but we used to shine. I feel this weight with you at my side. Maybe we need us some time. Maybe we need us a break. Too much in my mind. I don't need no food for thought. Got too much shit on my plate. And look at your face. It's painted with pain. I try to change it with strokes that make you love me again. Swear we be doing the most. Really we doing the worst. It's bad and nobody knows. We posting pics on the gram. They be hashtagging it goes.
It don't make no sense to me. Just let go of what's meant to be. And come together eventually. It's all in God's time. I'm your best friend, not your enemy. Gotta let go of this energy. Not who we pretend to be with these pretty little lies.
I also have some new products that I got from the drugstore that I'm going to be using. That seems to be all the rage down here on YouTube. Alright, I'm going to take these earrings off. I hate the way I look without earrings, but they are in the way. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to just use this palette mirror. And you get a lot on the You get a lot on the applicator. So let's see how this all comes together. Oh, I should have told you, this is the Fenty Pro Filter Concealer in 410. I think it looks pretty good. So let's get into the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. And I chose 415 Honey. You know, this is all the rage down here. Down to the YouTubes now.
Okay, so see what you're not gonna do is what you're doing right now. You really playing me, and you really think I'm one of your little friends, and I'm not. I don't have time, and I told you before, I don't know what's going on, but let me know. Playing me like boo-boo the fucking floor. Lying.
But these pretty lies, pretty lies, pretty lies. But these pretty lies, pretty lies, pretty lies. But these pretty lies, little bit of pretty lies. But these pretty lies. Pretty little lies. Pretty little lies. How will we survive? Pretty little lies. Oh, pretty little lies. Pretty little lies.
All right, that's set really nicely. All right. I really like this Fenty foundation. Concealer, I mean, as a foundation. I'm not saying, I'm just saying. So we're going to warm up the face with the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation. And this is in 355 Coconut. So we're going to use this as a setting powder. If I can get it open. Okay, I swear nobody else on YouTube has the troubles that I have trying to get into their products. It's as if this stuff is childproof. For me only though. They don't do that to nobody else. Elf always spicy. Still keeping the look affordable. All right. And I'm gonna use the NYX Machinist Grind Highlighting Duo right here. And this was only in Ulta for like a hot minute, and then it was gone. So I'm just going to tap into both of these, just kind of tap, tap like that. The highlight is popping. All right, and then I'm just going to do my usual and customary and just kind of bring everything together so the blush is not too popping. And I need to put my earrings back on. I hate the way I look without earrings. All right. Now I feel a little bit prettier. All right, so let's get these lips all the way together. Keep it affordable. We use this Jordana liner in Cabernet, and then use this NYX Slip Tease in Beyond Basic, because I'm Beyond Basic.
Lies, but these pretty lies. Pretty little lies. Pretty little lies. How will we survive? Pretty little lies. Oh, pretty little lies. Pretty little lies.
All right, so I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash line with Busted from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And of course, no YouTube tutorial or first impression or chit chat, whatever it is we do down here is complete without an inner corner highlight. So I went into, still in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and used Power Cut right here. So that's what I have in the inner corner. I'm going to just touch that up a little bit more just to give it a little bit more pop. All right, so this is the final look. I'm not mad at the Fenty foundation, or not foundation, look, the Fenty concealer as a foundation. I think it gave me a really great coverage. Oh, let's set the face. So we're going to set the face with the, keeping it affordable, the e.l.f. Oil Control Primer Mist. Okay, so now this is the final look. Back to using the Fenty concealer as a foundation. I really love the coverage that it gave. I think it's like really nice and even. I probably could have maybe went in a little bit more, but as it relates to the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, I really like it. I think that it gave me the coverage that I need for my natural dark circles. No creasing other than the creases that I already have. I think it set really well with the e.l.f. Beauty Shield powder. And I think we came up with a nice little look. So finally, I will say, I know that the Drugstore got a lot of burn down here on the YouTubes about these palettes. I believe this one is one of the reissued. Yeah, I know it is. It's one of the reissued ones because I was like giving her tons of shade and not my coin when the first debacle happened. I did have a problem with the Ring the Alarm palette, but this one right here, this Dark Magic palette, I think it came out really, really nice. Everything blended out really nice, and I'm trying to graduate to all mattes. I'm a like matte shimmer girl, so I think I did really good in pulling together this matte look, you know, just a little shimmer. But anyway, so I want to thank you again for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed these products, me applying the products, and if you have them, let's talk about it in the comments section. Before you go, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up, share this video, and let's talk about these products if you have them, or if you like affordable products. Do you prefer affordable or high-end? How do you get multiple uses out of your makeup? Because you know an eyeshadow can be a blush. An eyeshadow, you can create your own little lip color. You can take a shimmer and make it a highlight. You know, we just take makeup and do what we love to do with it, create artistry. All right, well, again, I'm Ladessa. This is Blogless Behavior. This is my YouTube channel. And always remember to pack light, because a bag lady, bag man, you and me too, we're going to hurt our backs, dragging all them bags like that. Go forth. Yes. And slay. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.